the way that RealTV can pull it together, the outcome is just gold.
So when I first watched the videos, I cried.
It's had that impact that we needed.
We're a team of award-winning TV producers, directors and editors that combine the techniques of documentary filmmaking with reality TV to craft real stories that will inspire your people and deliver real results.
And it was massive for us because people really aligned with our values.
They asked if they could have a copy of the video because they were so proud of it.
It's got to be realistic, it's got to be real life. That's why we use RealTV.
Whether you want to increase your sales or win your people over to your next corporate initiative or improve your customer experience program, we're here to help.
No other medium would have worked for us. I cannot tell you how great the story comes together.
Exact words, I feel so inspired.
After more than 10 years of making videos for some of New Zealand's largest organisations and most successful businesses that have dramatically increased their sales, led to spontaneous teams developing overnight to improve workplace health and safety, and have earned our clients many different awards, we can honestly say that we know how to create high-impact videos that have the power to capture your audience's attention and drive real results. That means you won't waste time and money on videos that leave your audience wondering about what they need to pick up from the supermarket on their way home, but instead they'll be drawn into your story and they will be expertly guided on a journey from where they are now to where you want them to be.
We got so much positive feedback once we had rolled out our induction, and in fact we had truck drivers asking to do their induction again.
It's made our sales reps feel a hell of a lot more confident.
We do this by making sure that we know exactly what result you want your video to achieve and how you want your audience to react before we ever start planning your video. Then we work with you to find out who the best person is to tell your story, what you should see them doing, and how to bring that story to life within your budget to get you the results you desire. Once you're happy with the brief and budget, you can sit back and relax while our expert team of award-winning TV producers, directors and editors set to work weaving their magic.
At the end of every video there was a huge round of applause.
They were like, oh my God.
It's really emotive and it's very compelling to watch.
We can deliver you a video that will do exactly what you want, making sure that your next sales campaign, corporate initiative or customer experience program goes off with a bang, winning you that next award. So why not get started and click on the link to answer 5 simple questions so that we can help you plan your next video.